Hello and welcome to today's video about the versatility of drones in today's world. Did you know that drones are being used in industries ranging from agriculture to entertainment? Today, we'll explore the different uses of drones and how they are revolutionizing various industries. Let's start with the most popular use of drones: aerial photography and videography. Drones are being used to capture stunning footage for real estate marketing, wedding photography, and event coverage. The advantage of using drones is that they can capture angles and perspectives that were previously impossible to obtain. Drones are also being tested and used for delivering goods like food and medical supplies, proving to be a game changer in the logistics industry. Drones can navigate through traffic, congested cities, and remote areas much faster than traditional delivery methods, resulting in cost savings and increased efficiency. Agriculture is another important industry that has been revolutionized by drones. Drones are equipped with sensors and cameras to monitor crops, detect pests, and assist in precision farming. This helps farmers optimize their crop yields, reduce costs, and minimize the use of chemicals. Drones can also be used for search and rescue operations, as they can search for missing people, detect survivors in disaster zones, and provide situational awareness for rescue teams. This has proven to be invaluable in many scenarios, especially in areas where it is difficult to access or dangerous for humans to venture. In addition, drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR sensors are used for creating 3D maps and conducting land surveys, making them a valuable tool for mapping and surveying. They can be used for planning infrastructure projects, urban planning, and environmental monitoring. Drones are also being used for inspecting critical infrastructure such as bridges and pipelines, enabling engineers to detect defects and make repairs more efficiently. With drones, engineers can quickly identify the problem areas, assess the extent of the damage, and plan the repairs accordingly. Finally, drones are also used for entertainment purposes such as light shows, fireworks displays, and synchronized flying performances. This has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for entertainment, providing a unique and captivating experience for audiences. In conclusion, drones are versatile tools that are being used in a wide range of industries. Their ability to access difficult or dangerous areas, their high precision and accuracy, and their ability to collect data quickly and efficiently make them a valuable asset in various fields. We hope you enjoyed learning about the versatility of drones in today's world, and we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with drones in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Stay ahead of the game with verified insights on various topics from the Information is Wealth YouTube channel. Share and subscribe for more expert tips and analysis.